Hey guys, Jade Alpine Companies on our beam grouting project. These are done in 2 phases. You don't want to grout that pocket all in one shot. What I do is usually grout about 50%. I'll let that cure, then I'll grout the other 50, either later in the day or the next day. So what's in there is just a really dry mix of high strength, non-shrink grout. Just real high PSI. Pack that in there by hand. Really make sure that's just in there nice and tight. Problem with these is they get grouted with the wrong materials, too wet, all at one time. It ends up cracking. Structurally, it's just not sound. It's got to be done one way and one way only. Make sure they're nice and tight and they're not going to move. Follow along when I do the final grout on this. www.alpinecompanies.com. Click on my YouTube link. You can watch this series of videos as well as 2,000 others. Thanks for watching Jade Alpine. I'll see you guys on the next video.